Another day, another story. Formation and reorganization of states. Parliament's power to admit new states or establish new states, Article 2. Alteration of state boundaries with state legislature consent or through a special majority resolution, Article 3. Concept of union territories. Directly administered regions by the union government. Lieutenant governor appointed by the president. Some UTs have limited legislative assemblies, e.g., Delhi, Puducherry. Differences. Administrative control. Union territories under union government. States have their own executive authority. Legislative authority. Union territories generally governed by centrally enacted laws, limited legislative powers. Examples. Telangana's creation as a separate state from Andhra Pradesh. Ladakh's formation as a union territory under the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act, 2019. Key points. Union territories. Delhi, Puducherry, Chandigarh, etc. Parliament's power to alter state boundaries, consent or special majority. Lieutenant governor represents union government in UTs. States have their own legislative assemblies and executive authority. 1. Concept of citizenship. Citizenship is governed by Chapter 2 of the Indian Constitution. Article 5 defines citizenship at the commencement of the Constitution. Indian citizenship can be acquired by birth, descent, registration, or naturalization. 2. Provisions, rights, and obligations. Indian citizens enjoy fundamental rights and fundamental duties as enshrined in the Constitution. Fundamental rights include equality, freedom of speech, and protection against discrimination. Fundamental duties include upholding national unity, respecting the Constitution, and promoting harmony. 3. Modes of acquisition. Citizenship by birth. Any person born in India on or after January 26, 1950, is a citizen by birth, except if their parents are foreign diplomats or enemy aliens. Citizenship by descent. Individuals born outside India to at least one Indian citizen parent are eligible for Indian citizenship by descent. Citizenship by registration. Foreigners married to Indian citizens and residing in India for a specified period can apply for citizenship through registration. Citizenship by naturalization. Foreigners who have resided in India for a minimum period and fulfill other specified criteria can apply for Indian citizenship through naturalization. Overseas citizenship of India, OCI. Individuals of Indian origin who are citizens of other countries can apply for OCI, granting several rights and benefits, though not full citizenship. 4. Termination of citizenship. Renunciation. Indian citizens can voluntarily renounce their citizenship by making a declaration to the appropriate authority. Termination by the government. The government has the power to terminate the citizenship of individuals who voluntarily acquire another country's citizenship or engage in activities against the national interest. 5. Recent amendments and landmark judgments. Citizenship Amendment Act, 2019. Provided a path to citizenship for specific religious minority immigrants from neighboring countries. Kesavananda Bharati v. State of Kerala, 1973, recognized the basic structure doctrine, safeguarding certain fundamental features of the Constitution, including citizenship provisions. 6. Practical examples. Acquiring citizenship by descent or registration for individuals of Indian origin residing outside India. Applying for citizenship by naturalization for foreigners residing in India for a specified period. Thanks for watching. By Advocate Club.